Alright. Down. Up. Welcome back. We're in the hover ship. We're trying to take down the ghost station. And then
Parents with impressionable children may want to turn off their hollow sets.
we're gonna go ahead and do that.
Children with impressionable parents may want to pretend they're watching the reading robot.
I'm just watching the radar and just looking around for these green things, which seem to be abundant. Wait, what the hell? They just destroyed their own. Oh shit. Why am I even bothering? Oh, is that why? Because they can... Jesus. Okay. One right there. Couple right here. Running up high. So there's one somewhere around here. Oh, there we go. No, where is it? Is it up high? Why can I not see it? Oh wow, there's something way up here. Look at this. One down that's below. Yep. I'm glad they're in chunks, otherwise, yeah, it would take forever. These controls are still a clusterfuck of awful, if you're wondering. They still indeed are. Got it. Nothing leaving. Leaving. Nothing fighting. Is this one up high too? Yes, indeed. Why do they have? Also, why do they have their power cores sitting on the outside of the station? That just seems like poor design flaw.
To shut down the central core, you must destroy all the green power nodules around the station. I am updating them on your mini-map. Can you see them?
But there's only 4. Yeah, okay. He said like the outer ones and then the inner ones, but like
you
I just...
did it, Ratchet. Now, come meet me back at our containment area. I have a plan.
Okay, there's nothing else to do here, so I guess we're just gonna go straight back to the containment suite. Sweet. I'm going to the suite. It's gonna be sweet. We're gonna contain it. We're gonna try and contain the suite, though. Don't want too much sweet going around.
Ratchet, I have found a way to shut down the containment fields and release all the heroes.
You're kidding. That's amazing.
He's had help.
Al? You're alive. They said your body was beyond repair.
No biggie. I got a new one. Check this out.
Whoa. Okay. So, what's the plan?
We have acquired schematics for the entire battle dome. There is a central computer on the control level that regulates power to the containment fields.
So what? Reprogram it? Hack it?
Just blow it up, and the fields go down.
Okay, so how do I get to the control level?
I have reprogrammed the Battle Dome shuttle to take you there, but it is a one-way ride.
Congratulations, hero. You have surpassed Ace Hardlight's record for career point total.
Yeah, by like an ass load. Let's see him getting close to full stars earned. I think it's interesting. This is like the number of everything I've killed. So Clawtooth Swarmers, I've killed 5,000 of them. Kind of blows my mind. And down here they got like, yeah, shots, 19,000 shots. Magma Cannon. Nope, never did that. I did do this. 108, that's how long that one mission took me. 108. Alright, let's see if we need to buy anything. I'm not buying you, V6. Swear to God.
Ratchet, when you are ready, you can take the shuttle to the Battle Dome's control level.
So... oh, not this. The little star was there. Look at the radar. The star is there. They meant this. Control level. Okay, so this is now I have to do this in one sitting, is what that whole thing said. It said basically, this is a one-way trip, and once you beat it, this is the end of the game. So... yeah, that doesn't sound good. I'm JK, we're fine.
Clank, come in. Can you hear me? Something just doesn't seem right here. Not good.
Well, what have we here, Dreadzone fans? A contestant attempting to sabotage the Battle Dome? How exciting! If he succeeds, the rest of the contestants go free! But if he fails, I've wired the Battle Dome with 6 gigatons of nitroglycerin. If Ratchet doesn't disarm the detonator before time runs out, the Battle Dome will be blown into a trillion pieces!
That's insane!
Au contraire. If I was still on the Battle Dome, then it would be insane. But I happen to have a truly lovely view of the action from a remote location.
What about the thousands of fans in the Battle Dome? You gonna kill all of them, too?
Of course not. You are. Unless you shut your cake hole and get moving. Go on now. Your audience is waiting.
I like how the screen moves out of the way as he does that. Oh my God.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the final episode of Dreadzone. Oh God, we're all gonna die.
The mood is positively electric as the audience braces to find out if they will survive the next 10 minutes. I can't believe I'm reading this.
I had my whole life ahead of me. I was gonna be a ballet dancer.
Pull yourself together, you blabbering idiot!
Thank you, Juanita. Superstar contestant Ratchet faces his toughest challenge
Now
yet
he's a
to
superstar.
deactivate the Battle Dome's formidable defense systems and defeat Gleeman Vox himself. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Ratchet for being such a great role model and a pillar of our community. If anybody can save us, it's you, Ratchet.
We're rooting for you, little buddy.
Ah, bullshit. After I take care of him, I'm gonna take care of both of you.
Ratchet. I did not realize I was leading you into another one of Vox's traps. There is still a way out, though. If you can destroy the 3 fusion generators on the control level, it will release the escape shuttles, and both the fans and the heroes will be saved.
Whoop. Okay, well, how shitty would that be if that's how it ended?
You're not falling asleep, are you?
What if you're just like, alright, buddy, you're our last hope, and like in the first hallway he dies. Like, oh. The 8 minutes thing? That we didn't even get that to hope. Whoa, whoa. Those things are terrible at aiming. Just holding down the button, which is a huge waste of ammo. I'm only now coming to realize.
Ratchet, the station will be blown to bits any moment. Please hurry.
Whoop. Made it though. Close, I guess, but made it. Go under this just in case. Nope, nothing showed up. Oh! Don't stand next to the explodies. Ah! This is good. Job for the silencer. If we can get right up in their faces, that's good. Good job for the silencer. Oh wow, just left them behind. Oh shit, oh shit, oh fuck, Jesus. There's somebody this now, isn't there? Okay, well, let's do this. Okay.
I'll set up the ground cable, sir. Come on, Ratchet, you can do it. If you can't, we'll all die.
Oh, is this a thing I can take over? It is indeed. Why are you guys terrible? Why aren't you guys actually taking anything over? Or, I mean, why aren't you actually killing it? Or destroying it? Fuck! Do it! See, he starts... Oh, wait, can I kill this thing? Oh, I can kill those things. Got it! No, I got it now. Oh.
Preparing to completely obliterate the target, sir.
Excellent, Ratchet. Now, deactivate the
Okay.
sound generator, but hurry. is running out.
I couldn't figure out what was going on. Like, they just sat there. Why are they giving me bolts? Did you say they gave me 20,000 bolts? But this is the last mission. I guess.
Tonight, on a very
No. No. Fuck!
solemn episode of Dread Zone. Everybody dies! Oh no!
Dallas, you're embarrassing yourself.
Mommy, I don't want to go bye-bye.
Dallas, this is not the time! Oh, baby. You're a baby. Good baby. Baby, no cry.
Yeah, you guys did it. I mean, you died. Both of you died horribly. But no, I mean, good job. No, I was thought these guys are extremely loyal.
Oh, not me! I'm too pretty to die!
You won't, Dallas. Now straighten up. Look at you, crying on galaxy-wide hollow vision. You are a selfish, selfish man.
Thank you, Juanita! Your searing dose of verbal abuse was refreshing, I can't even tell you. Ooh, and the whole mommy-baby thing, sexy. Baby needs a change.
Ugh. What are you guys firing at? No point in me even taking that over.
Ratchet, you are running out of time. The generators are overloading.
And now I'm running out of time. Chill. I'm rushing the room. Okay. Ouch. Fuck. That did like no damage.
Several escape shuttles are leaving the battle dome. Keep working, Ratchet.
Storm the room. Oh, get over here. Oh, shit. Now these things are good. They were absolute shit a second ago. Hitting me. Super exciting when you just kind of like sit here and you guys haven't spawned yet. Like right now. Oh boy. Oh, I finally just used it at the last second. Got that thing. Alright. 30,000 bolts for, guess nothing? Oh, I'm so mad that I bought that.
I suppose since we're all about to perish horribly, I should own up to a few things. First of all, Timmy Aberdeen, I'm the one who set your backpack on fire. I'm sorry you couldn't get it off in time.
Oh, it sucks.
Susie Binkleton, I was the one who put the Tyrannoid in your locker. Hey, I heard the therapy is going well, though. Chin up, kid!
Oh.
finally to you,
Ah.
my dear.
Yeah. Well, those things kind of surprised me.
This time.
Where did my life go? Where did my life go? A second ago I had life. Now I do not at all. Dead. Okay, where did my life go? I had full life, and then all of a sudden I was at 17. From 65. I don't know how did I went. Okay, so there I got hit apparently. Okay. I'm trying to gain stuff levels so that more things end up on level 10. But I've got 7 life. Whoop.
Ratchet, can you pick up the pace, please? The station is seconds away from exploding.
Damn. Shut up. Ah, I'm blaming that one on Clank. He was like, no fooling this time. Alright, doing better. Quite a bit better. Probably go for the ones that can kill me, but fuck, there's one on the ground too. Shit. Oh, what in the world hit me? Nothing hit me. I was this one might be kind of long because I'm failing. I always get hit there. I need to stop dashing off the edge. Like, it took me a disturbing amount of time to catch on to. What happens if I do this? Oh, do you spawn in front of me and kill me? Is that what happens, bot? How in the world do I have 66 life? Uh-oh. Alright. Man, I'm concentrating so hard I'm not saying anything. I just need to murder. There's one behind me. I wanted to get him. Last I needed was some guy to just come up and just shoot me back. Okay, here we go. Shit. Okay. Solo life. Not even doing anything to get out of here. What is that? Turret. I don't like being those guys. Oh fuck! Oh shit! The thing didn't die! Oh my god, okay, 6 minutes. Running to the turret. Really? The other one's not? Okay, so we're just chilling. Okay. Just waiting. This is the most exciting portion of the game, I believe. Yep, now we're just... So we got 5 minutes to do this. Alright. Okay. Now let's 50,000 volts. Bolts.
Well done, Ratchet. The containment fields are deactivated. The station is no longer on lockdown.
Good. Now get on a shuttle and get out of here.
Sorry, Ratchet. I am not leaving without you.
For the love of Lord, cut out the sappy melodrama before you lose my entire audience. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. I'm gonna give Dread Zone fans the finale.
Right there,
they've been
Arbiter,
waiting
face.
for. It's a little one-act play I call Death of the Lombats.
See, you should've... You waited too long.
It's good to always keep the audience guessing.
You guys appear to just kind of run at me and blow up, and that's it.
Oh, looks like Box has some tricks up his sleeve. This is gonna be one heck of a match.
Considering that we die if Team Darkstar loses, that's an understatement.
An understatement, an undergarment, the underworld of professional mustache twirling, whatever it is, it's hot. Folks, I'm gonna break character for just a second and say, watch out! If you don't, we all die!
Why aren't my bots shooting these guys? Seriously? Fuck! Oh, no. My bots stopped firing. They stopped caring about me. I was betrayed just now. Fucking B6.
You got a prize! Time to collect!
You know, this would be good. Four weapons. Or it wouldn't, or it wouldn't, or it wouldn't.
Oh, looks like Box has some tricks up his sleeve. This is gonna be one heck of a match.
Considering that we die if Team Darkstar loses, that's an statement.
understatement, an undergarment,
Alright,
the
so I
underworld,
think
the
this is
professional
working.
latex whirling, whatever it is, it's hot.
Time to pump up the action.
Silencer was definitely a little bit better at taking these things out, considering I took one shot.
That's it.
No, that one took two.
I'm rolling credits on you. And now, Ratchet's destruction, brought to you by Lehman Vox.
Keeps on, like, pacing away from me. Whoop. I'm not in a good position to deal with. Okay, there we go. A little better. If you shoot that just right, you get all of them. That's fun.
Here you go, Ratchet. Meet some of your fans. Fox News special report. Team Darkstar's about to be crushed. Time you're gonna be seen again is in reruns.
Oh, no!
that too.
This could be
Silencer.
disaster for Team Darkstar. I put 500 bolts on this match.
Dallas, our lives hang in the balance, and you are gambling?
Oh, don't pretend like you care. You never cared. Oh, there we go. I popped the blood vessel again. Oh, all right. Can somebody get me a tissue?
Allow me to slip into something more comfortable. This year on Dread Zone, an audience favorite, a giant
You just grab a camera and just throw it at me.
I can't look! Is Team Darkstar dead? Dallas, what's happening? Dallas, what are you doing?
Nothing. Just keep your eyes closed.
Wow. Wow.
Right. They killed
That did a
all the
lot of
Darkstar.
damage.
Destroy him. Destroy his family. Make him cry into his next life. Yeah!
I've never seen that
Whoa.
before. Ladies and gentlemen, Juanita has eaten the cameraman.
Here's a ratings poster.
Oh. Oh, got him. First shot, not bad.
It's over, Vox.
No, but it will be soon.
Destruct sequence initiated. 60 seconds until Battle Dome detonation.
60 seconds, alright. Let's
Shovels
look
all
at the
left
time
row.
and see if it's actually 60 seconds.
Now we'll both die together on live holovision. It'll be the best ratings I've ever had.
Even if I don't make it out of here alive, at least a lot of other heroes escape tonight.
Enjoy your pathetic idealism for the last few seconds of your life. What?
Get in, Ratchet. There is no time remaining.
Just a sec.
Yeah, grabbing that guy.
No!
5 seconds.
So let's see, 5 seconds? Was that actually? No, that was only 40 seconds.
Hold still, Ratchet.
Whoa! Check out that explosion! That was awesome! Let's do it again!
Did they not realize that they were prisoners?
No, it's my turn, you little brats. Get out of here. Don't you know how to respect your elders, Ow! Did you see what she just...
And that is how you beat up an adult.
What? This was the last shuttle. What else could I do?
Hey, I fixed the comlink. We've got incoming calls.
Ratchet, Clank,
Hey, it's Kid Nova. What can I say? I thought I was a goner back there. I owe you guys big time.
Hey, Ratchet, it's Hydra Girl. If you're ever back in Aquatos, promise you look me up, okay?
Ah, well, Aquatos is nice this time of year.
Well, why not? More calls coming in.
Ratchet, Clank, it's me, Captain Quark. There's a nasty rumor going around about heroes being kidnapped, but don't worry, it's baloney. I mean, come on. Nobody came to capture me, right? Just imagine making a show about galactic heroes without Captain Quark. Ha! Well, anyway, you guys missed the last 3 meetings of the Quark Cadets fan club. But don't worry, I've got extra copies of the newsletter, and I even saved some of the snacks. Hope you like custard.
We're just doing like a billion throwbacks to the other games. So Captain Quark was the villain in the first one, and he's been in the first 3. They do one last throwback here. This was to the 3rd game. Oh, well, I guess there's a credits. I'm gonna just go ahead and skip the credits. So this is a throwback to the 3rd one. This is the villain of the 3rd game.
Lawrence!
He's Dr. Nefarious.
What's going on? You said we were coming within range of a space station!
Well, we were, sir. How was I to know it would suddenly explode?
Oh, Janice. It's been so long. Too long. Say you'll never leave me again for that nasty villain, Engelbert.
You make me feel like a young boy again.
Say what?
I love that little line. So those were the villains from the 3rd one, and last we saw they teleported to a random asteroid. Okay, we're gonna hit no. So that they were the villains of the 3rd game, and whenever he gets too angry, his head screws up, and then he starts picking up radio stations of a romance radio station, and Lawrence has to slap him. And Lawrence was in a band towards the end of the 3rd game, and he didn't really like Dr. Nefarious or his plans or anything. So that is Ratchet Deadlocked. There's also a challenge mode, but I went ahead and did not do that. I guess just kind of... So, that's going to be it for Ratchet Deadlocked. This one went a bit long, but it was kind of like my victory thing, so... maybe I'll split that into 2. Probably won't. I mean, we'll just upload it like this. Thanks for watching, everybody. I had a lot of fun playing this. Hopefully you had some fun watching it. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do next, but we'll find out. Alright? I will see you guys next time. Alright? Bye.